What up, y'all? Welcome back. Now in today's video, I want to show you guys real quick how to actually unpair a Apple AirTag from your iPhone or your older iPhone or your newer iPhone, whichever one you guys have. The process is going to be the exact same, but in today's video I'm going to be using the brand new iPhone 12 in the purple edition that they just recently released. Did a whole video unboxing that. If you want to check it out, I'll link it down in the description section below. But real quick, first thing you guys are going to want to do is you want to go ahead and go to Find My. So basically you're going to use this feature if you are going from one phone to another or whatever, and you're getting ready to sell this device or something like that, or just for some odd reason you want to unpair it and repair it or whatever. This is how you guys are going to do it. So you're going to go to Find My on your phone, and it's going to pop this up here, so I can go ahead and turn this on if I want. Now you're going to see all of your items that are going to be located right here on the bottom. Now obviously I have this blurred out for obvious reasons. What we're going to do here, we're going to go ahead and find this one right here. And what I want to do is you're going to go ahead and swipe up here, and then right at the very bottom you're going to see remove item. So here you're going to go ahead and tap on remove AirTag, and just like that, it's going to say this item is linked to your Apple ID. Removing this item will allow it to be activated and used by another person. So this is for some reason if you guys want to also sell your AirTags to somebody, you can also do so as well, or if you want to transfer it to somebody, this is the process you're going to want to do it by. So all you guys got to do is press on remove. You can set this up in AirTag again by bringing your phone nearby if you need to reconnect it, but you're going to click on remove, and then it says once AirTag has been removed, it will need to be set up to use it again. So I'm gonna go ahead and press remove, and just like that, you're gonna let it do its thing. It's gonna play a little noise like you just heard, and then just like that, the AirTag is now removed from your Apple ID, not just from the device and that item that you had attached it to, but it's also removed from your Apple ID as well. So just wanted to do that quick video here real quick and show you guys that. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks again for watching. See y'all in the next one. Squad.